Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here. Glad to have you with us. This is just a quick video because Consuelo and Julio did not know what this little button right here was for. That's your recirculate. If you want the coldest possible air conditioning, make sure that symbol is highlighted. If you want the most possible heat in your cabin of your vehicle, make sure that is highlighted. It recirculates the air in the cabin, does not pull anything from outside, and the air will get colder faster and the heat will get hotter quicker by having that lit up. And I know many of you already know this, but many of you don't. So make sure your air conditioning button is on here, showing that symbol, the snowflake, and make sure your recycle's on. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, because if you're a schmuckle, you'll never have any friends and you'll be a big fat loser. Sweet Project Cars out.